Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix any problems you might be having with sending emails from your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, this might be happening for a couple of different reasons. One is you might have some trouble in your settings or some invalid settings of your site on your WordPress dashboard. And the second is you didn't set up a simple mail transfer protocol. I'll be showing you guys how to do both of those. However, I won't be able to show you on my site myself because I don't have the subscription for the business plan, and that renders some of those options, or rather most of them, inaccessible for me. So I'll be going over into this guide on Hostinger right here, and I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do this yourself. Now, first thing, you can check your email settings, such as the administration email address on your general settings on WordPress. That is, you just go into settings and go into general, and as you'll see, I do not have any email options here because I don't have the premium subscription, which is needed for those settings. But you can go there and check if that is to your liking, and you need to set it up to work with your email. Now, other than that, you can also reset the email settings in your hosting account. That could be via hosting or an hPanel. It can be through cPanel. It really depends on what hosting site service you're doing, but you just need to navigate to your email options and then open up the email settings, and you just need to deactivate your email account and click update, and then just re-enable it in a different way, and that should fix it. Pretty much just turning it off and on again. It is very specific to the hosting service you're using, so I won't be going over the specific hosting or instructions. This is just sort of a general direction. Then you can set up an SMTP, which is the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which I've mentioned earlier. This is very easily doable with a plugin, which is WordPress Mail SMTP, which is very beginner friendly, and you can very easily use it. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You don't really need to know very much. You just need to go and play with the settings to make sure that everything is working fine. And once you set that up, which is also doable manually if you go into the DNS settings, if I'm not mistaken, but this is much easier than you actually setting everything up yourself. So I do recommend using this plugin for yourself, testing it out, playing around with it, and then after you set everything up to your liking, it should work perfectly. And that is pretty much it. And now you do have other solutions, which are to configure contact form plugins to make sure everything is working good there. And you should also prevent the emails from going to spam. But these first three are mainly used to make sure that the emails are sent in the first place. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.